Role of factors on farmers' efficiency in hybrid maize production. Kaning presentation is gonna explore how personal, household, physical, and institutional factors influence farmers' efficiency by hybrid maize production with the implication of for food security. Kaning studies na publish ni siya atong 2023 by Shaib Akhtar and sa iyang mga colleagues in agriculture journal. Nag-focus siya sa Pakistan maize sectors sa critical crops for national and nutrition and economic growth. Ang mais is a third major of cereal in Pakistan and vital for feeding its rapidly growing population. Understanding efficiency drivers can help improve production and contribution to food security. And sa background and importance of maize production, so natay maize role. Ang maize role is nag-contribute siya 3.4% to agriculture values and 0.6% to GDP in Pakistan sa year 2020 hangtod sa year 2021. It is an alternative staple when wheat and rice are scarce. Then sa ikaduha, natay production challenges despite sa fertile soil ug sa irrigation in Punjab. Ang maize yields is naga-remain siya low due to traditional farming practices and inefficient resource use. So ang ikatulo is na siya efficiency importance. Ang pag-improving sa efficiency through better resources is naga-allocation siya kan both output and farmers livelihood o gina-support niya ang national food security. Then sa methodology and soybean hybrid in maize growers. So natay sampling and strategy. Multi-stage random gina-sampling by Faisal Bud and sa Howell division. Gina-select sa district o sa Thistle Union councils and sa village and farmers. Sa data collection is survey conduct in December 2020 using a structured and questionnaire targeting hybrid maize grower only. And sa natay focus area, gina-examine ang personal sa household, sa physical and institutional factors o affecting sa production and efficiency. Sa key findings, efficiency and influencing factors. Sa efficiency levels na ang farmers is nag-produce yung mga hybrid maize below sa optimal efficiency, gina-indicating niya ang mga potential for increasing output with the current resource. Sa overall technical efficiency was na siya 89% allocative efficiency and na siya 66% sa economic efficiency and 59%. Then natay mga positive influences na siya higher education para ma-improve ang productivity and adoption of better techniques and sa access to credit enable purchase good ang qualities pag-inputs sa technology and extension services provided guidance boosting and efficiency. Then larger land size benefited from economies and small scale. Then sa conclusion, efficiency gains and food security. Natay cost and reduction potential. Sa farmers is gina-reduce ang production cost by up to 41% while maintaining output levels. Sa output increase, ang current production is nagataas by 11% through improved technical efficiency. Then sa food security impact, gina-enhance ang farmers efficiency by supporting food security and sustainable livelihood in rural communities. Then additional insight sa market access and institutional access support. Sa market distance is greater distance from market, increased technical and inefficiency by mais farming. Then gina-improve ang road access, can enhance efficiency by easing input and output movement. Then sa institutional factors na siya extension agent contact, positively influenced by efficiency. Then ako siya subsidies credit access, could further improves efficiency but needs better targets. Then sa private sectors na siya mais purchasing is imperfect and in rural areas limiting farmers benefits. Then sa personal and household factors affecting inefficiency farmers benefits. Then sa personal and household factors affecting inefficiency. Then sa educational and experience na higher education and ang farmer experience o para ma-improve po ilang making decision and efficiency. And sa age factor, sa older age was negatively associated with technical, allocative and economic efficiency. Then sa household size is nag-characterize and also gina-influence niya ang farmers efficiency by highlight ang mga family support. Then sa agricultural, then my personal reflection and implication for food security. Kani nga study is gina-reveal niya ang farming success depends on more than just agricultural skill. Pag-educate sa tao sa pag-create extensional services o infrastructure also by all shapes farmers efficiency and food security. Kani nga underscores is need you siya coordinate efforts by policymakers, educators and support system to empower farmers, improving sa kani nga factors o can transform rural communities and contribution to a more food secure world. Then wala na, thank you.